So guys, let's start a tutorial of Solar System Simulator. That how to make your own solar system. First, click this like settings button and click the build your own solar system and click this and click wherever you want to place the star and go launch. I don't know what to do. And click it and I don't know. Just click it. Just click the name and pick a name you want.